Okay, guys, so the manipulative that I chose was pattern blocks, and I chose this for kindergarten classroom that I'm in this semester, and I've seen the kids use these a bunch of different ways, anywhere from centers to even during the math lesson. I pulled them out the other day when I was teaching a math lesson over teaching hexagons, and what a hexagon looked like for the kids, and there's obviously many different colors of the shapes, and each of the shapes is a different color. As you can see, the diamonds are blue, and the triangles are green, and the trapezoids are red, and the hexagons are yellow, and so it's very easy for the kids to be able to tell the difference between the shapes, both by looking at them and the size of them, and also their color. And so, like I said, this can be used a lot of different ways in the classroom. One of the activities that I'm having the students do in the kit is how many different ways can you fill a hexagon. And so basically I would give them this worksheet and give them pattern blocks and just let them go and let them work and find different ways that they could fill that hexagon. And there's so many different ways. I don't have the blocks with me right now, but you can obviously use the hexagon itself, or two trapezoids, or six triangles, or anything like that. And that's obviously it would be from the geometry side of things. And then I have another activity that would be this build a turkey, and this would be more from like the measurement and data side. And so I would give them a base turkey. And then they would build the feathers basically of the turkey, and they would use the different shapes, and however many shapes they had, they would then write it down. I wouldn't tell them what they had to have or what they didn't have to have. It would just kind of be an exploration type thing. And then, so that would be another one for the measurement and data, and then even another one, this is more of the algebraic thinking, but having them have a couple shapes in a bag, and then having them telling them how many sides the shapes have altogether, and then having them decide what shapes you have in the bag. And so it's just getting them to critically think about things, and using the shapes themselves, using paper and pencil to draw it out and explain their reasoning. Even for kindergartners, they can do that, or if they can't write, they can even do it orally, and you could ask them what they think the answer is, and then you could finally show them the answer, or you could decide not to show them the answer, and just let them think that they knew the answer and that they were right. But yeah, so I think pattern blocks are super flexible in the classroom, and they can be used really for a lot of the elementary grades. It's not just kindergarten. I just think this is one of the best things for kindergartners to start using, especially when they are using shapes, just learning shapes, and beginning to understand what makes other shapes. So yeah, so there's pattern blocks for kindergartners.